To fix a top-load washer that won't spin, several possible causes should be considered. Poor drainage is one potential issue. To address this, disconnect the machine from power and then remove the drain hose from the back to check for any blockages, kinks, or damage. If the hose is clogged, a drain snake can be used to remove debris, while a broken hose will need to be replaced. A faulty lid switch is another potential cause. Located under the washer's lid, if the switch is bent, it can be gently pushed back into place using fingers and light pressure. But if it's severely damaged, replacement is necessary. An imbalanced load or an overfull washer can also prevent the spin cycle from starting. In such cases, the solution is to remove some of the excess clothes to lighten the load. By following these steps, it's possible to fix a top-load washer that won't spin.